Mindscape was a project conceived, planned and delivered by 3 young filmmakers, and the aim of the project was to create a set of digital resources to assist people with their mental health and well-being.
For working with the Mindscape project, I did filming. I did lots of editing as well. Well, it wasn't just me, it was all of us that did it. And then we also used underwater housing cameras. So we went in the sea and we filmed surfers and we filmed the paddleboarders, which is really fun because I got to go in the sea myself and I got to use the camera.
I came in to here just wanting to be a photographer, and doing Mindscape, it's kind of brought my love for filmmaking back. So having this opportunity to be able to make Mindscape is extremely important. Especially in Pembrokeshire, there's nothing like this at all. You know, you've got to go to Cardiff or further outfield to be able to do something in film. And then also you link up with people who are like-minded like you and that like filmmaking. So we are able to be in Pembrokeshire and then have a small community of filmmakers that you can rely on.